Hello, class. My name is William Kutsia, and today I will be discussing with you about fibromyalgia. Fibromyalgia is defined as a chronic disorder characterized by widespread pain, tenderness, and stiffness of muscles and associated connective tissue structures that is typically accompanied by fatigue, headache, sleep disturbances, and so much more, also called fibromyalgia syndrome, fibromyositis. The reason for choosing this topic is my wife has fibromyalgia, which we found out about 2 years ago after going to several specialists and testings she had to endure. I am interested in this topic because there is little that I understand about it and would like to understand what fibromyalgia is and what my wife goes through when she tells me she is not feeling well or having a flare up. She does not talk a lot about her pain that she is going through because she feels like people do not understand because it is not a physical disease you can see. I want to be able to understand what treatments and therapies have been most helpful for this disease.